What's happening, guys? So coming at you with another unboxing, and as many of you might recognise the box, it is the new Apple HomePod. So I ordered this on Saturday, and obviously due to the weekend it has now come today. So I decided to pick this up because A, I love a good speaker, and B, I've been looking forward to this since the WWDC conference back in September. So this is Apple's take on the smart speaker area of the market, if you like, and I do think it's probably going to be one of the better ones. Now, I'm not buying this massively for the home automation bit personally. I'm not really one to use Siri as much as I could. I'm basically buying this because apparently the audio quality is meant to be top notch, and you know, I do have certain HomeKit compatible devices as well, like smart plugs as well, so it'd be pretty cool to have that as well. So we're going to dive straight in. It's delivered by DPD, nice and prompt, and typical Apple packaging, nice little innovations to help you get into the box nice and easy. So it obviously comes in a brown box, and then inside we've then got the device itself. So it comes in a fancy box, which bear with me while I try and get it out. And boom, HomePod itself. Now I'm hoping this is the right colour, because I did actually order the space grey one. I'm hoping it is. It looks white to me. Oh no, space grey. Does look slightly white, but no, we are space grey. Now, box presented as you would expect from Apple, absolutely beautifully. The device itself is not massive. I have watched many unboxings already. It's not much bigger than an iPhone 8 Plus, but that's fine. It's not necessarily the size that matters in this case. It's all about the tech and the quality of the components there. So having a look around the box, obviously it's got this beautiful mesh design with obviously LED screen on the top for Siri. Spinning it around, obviously the Apple logo is pretty standard, and again exactly the same. On the bottom, not much happening here, pretty much a description. So if we zoom in here, there we are in 4K, so we should get a nice clear image. Features Siri, and there, 7 horn loaded tweeters, high subwoofer, 8 amplifiers, 6 microphone arrays. So I've watched demonstrations of this, and it's fantastic how it still picks up your voice, even though you've got music playing. So I think that's pretty darn cool. So let's dive in. So there is a pull tab, which is here. You can just about see it, as there is a little green icon here, which gives you the indication to pull. So we're going to unwrap this, and it just falls elegantly as Apple's packaging is masterfully made. And we're going to slide this bad boy off and get this set up live. And then boom, there it is, and that is a beauty. So we're going to grab it on the top, pull it, and it comes out absolutely beautifully. So in the box itself, we've got a couple of things. Basically a very quick instruction guide, which basically tells you to turn it on, turn your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on, and stick it fairly close to the speaker, and it'll basically prompt to life and do it itself. And with the classic Apple stickers. So we're going to keep that in there, because I do keep all of my Apple boxes for retail value and just for keepsake, I suppose. Now obviously I'm in the UK, so we have got a 3-pin UK mains plug, and we're going to plug this in. We're going to see how we get on. Cool, so what you can see is a little indication on the top, and we've got to wait for a noise which lets us know it's kind of booted and ready to go. So that noise there makes us ready. So I've got the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and there we go, HomePods. So let's go set up. Where are we? So mine will be in the living room. Obviously for the purpose of the unboxing, I have just put it into the kitchen because it's the most lightest room, and I don't have fancy studio lights like other YouTubers. So we're going to go for living room. it's just doing stuff in the background by the look of it. There we go, so HomePod with Apple Music. Now I am not an Apple Music subscriber, I just buy mine straight from iTunes, so I'm just going to skip this set itself. Personal requests, so allow anyone to use this HomePod to send and read messages, add reminders, create notes and more. I'm quite happy that I live alone, so that's not going to be a problem. Obviously terms and conditions, you can go ahead and read those if you want, but I'm just going to hit agree. And obviously it's going to pull up my Apple ID, which is fine. It's going to transfer the settings. So this is the Wi-Fi. So they're going to play some fancy music. So obviously it connects to my home Wi-Fi, so then I can connect using AirPlay. It's just saying set up there. So we're just going to leave that to do what it needs to do. And as you can see, a bit of a comparison inside. I'll just adjust my camera accordingly. Not much bigger than my iPhone 8 Plus. So that's a nice result. Build quality is fantastic. It's got a nice weight to it. There we go.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri."
Hey Siri.
Let's try it. Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
Hey Siri, what can you do?
I can do lots of things, like turn on the lights, give you a news update, and tell you about the weather. Now you try. Say, "Hey Siri, play some music."
Hey Siri, play some music.
Playing all songs, shuffled. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
Oh, I can see the future coming to.
Now I'm going to pause it just because I don't want the YouTube to pick up that song and penalise me for it, but as you can see, it is completely voice activated. I can say, "Hey Siri, what's the weather going to be like later?"
It's currently raining and 7 degrees in Sidmouth. Expect wind then clear skies starting in the afternoon. Temperatures are heading down from 7 degrees this afternoon to 1 tonight.
Fantastic. So there we go, guys. That has been a look at the HomePod. So now, at the moment, the support for the music playback is predominantly Apple Music. But I think, because I've got a lot of my music in the cloud, it will also play stuff like that. So I can go, "Hey Siri, play me some random song." Hey Siri, play some music.
Playing all songs, shuffled. Remember, anytime you have a question, just say, "Hey Siri."
There we go, bit of gold. Now obviously on the top there is this touchscreen mechanism. You got your volume, you tap on it, it plays and pauses. And obviously the Siri integration shows its little animation on the top as well. For myself, so like I said, I will be basically using this. When I go onto there, you can see I've got the little HomePod there, living room, and obviously it's playing Gold by Spandau Ballet there. So guys, it's been a look at that. Sound quality is absolutely top notch, as I would expect from the price point. So in the United Kingdom, this retails at £319, which only time will tell whether that is a good investment. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, let me know, and thank you for watching.